Hey there guys, welcome to Honestly Talking. In today's video, I'm reviewing the restaurant Bombay Bungalow at Jumeirah Beach Residence in Dubai. The restaurant has earned its spot in the prestigious Michelin Guide, so let's see how it is. I found the restaurant's interior very beautiful and calming, seamlessly blending modernity with traditional Indian aesthetics. The decor is a perfect reflection of the diverse and rich culture of India, and the restaurant's natural light streamed in was creating a wonderful, inviting atmosphere. The restaurant staff extended a warm and gracious welcome during my visit. To kickstart my day, I decided to indulge in some of my favorite Indian breakfast classics. The preparation of the breakfast was a perfect 10, and just the sight of it made my mouth water. The breakfast at the restaurant was a pure delight. It was an exceptional experience as the dishes tasted exactly the way I prefer them. Discovering an Indian restaurant in Dubai that perfectly matches my taste brought me sheer joy and complete satisfaction. Chef Bhupinder at the restaurant Bombay Bungalow at JBR in Dubai. So chef, the food was outstanding. So since how long have you been in Dubai and since how long have you been working here?
Really thank you for that. You appreciate our food and you liked our food. Thank you for that. And it's been 6 years for me working at Bombay Bungalow as a head chef. And I joined here in 2018. Yes.
So what are some of the signature dishes that you recommend trying at this restaurant?
Yeah, we have we have chef special dishes and a signature dish is called, we have burrata butter chicken. And normally in India we chicken cooked with gravy. Here we are cooking gravy separate, chicken separate, that come fresh. We put it on top of chicken, we put burrata on the top.
So I came for breakfast, I'll surely try it for dinner someday.
Yeah.
So are there any dishes on the menu that are exclusive to Bombay Bungalow and cannot be found anywhere else?
As I told you, yes, we have definitely. We have like pav bhaji fondue, like is it cheese? Like normally the pav bhaji is must have been eaten in Mumbai. They give you like roughly chopped vegetable with some tomatoes, butter. Here we make out of that same vegetable we are using. So we have not played with the base of that particular dish, but something we have changed regarding that. We have added cheese on that. There's a fondue that is unique. Texture is there, some pav, and we give fresh breads on the side so you can have it together.
Okay, and how do you ensure the authenticity and quality of the Indian dishes you serve here?
In terms of authenticity, I'll say it's a traditional. We have not, we are not changing the dish. We have curated in our own way. We have changed the plating, like serving style we changed, but we have not changed the base. So we are very focused about the base, what is supposed to be go to the guest. Like example, a butter chicken, wherever you go in India, it should be the same flavor. It should not be changed. So we have not changed that base. In that base, particular base should be same. Only the thing we have changed the plating. That's the only thing.
Right. And what is the most popular dish among the customers?
Yeah, here most of the guests we are getting from locals are the most influenced. We are according to taste buds. The menu which we have created here is according to our locals. Same time Europeans. Most of the guests which are majority as locals in Europe. According to that we have made, like as I told you, burrata butter chicken, pav bhaji fondue. Butter chicken is very famous here.
So that's the most famous over here?
Yes.
Your restaurant has been listed in the Michelin Guide, and very soon I hope you will get a star too. So how are you preparing for that?
Yeah, it's a big thing for as a hotelier, as a chef, for the restaurant or hotel to get a Michelin guide or listed in this particular thing. And this time, last year, Michelin guide came first time in Dubai.
Okay.
So we are very happy that we are in first time they visit Dubai, and that time also itself we got listed in Dubai.
Wow.
Michelin guide. So that's a big moment for us. And this year also we are listed in Michelin guide, but we didn't get that star because there is some particular things we have to focus it on, like in terms of ambience, restaurant ambience, lots of things there. So mainly they focus on consistency of food, how we are serving, the taste, it should be consistent. So maybe they'll come next time and they will see how we are doing. Actually, we are following the same things or not. Maybe soon we'll get a star.
So fingers crossed, I hope you get it. Your food is amazing and I'm sure you'll get it this year. And thank you so much. It was great talking to you and the food was amazing. Thank you.